If you're experiencing login issues with Mullvad VPN, follow these steps to quickly resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and regain access to your VPN account. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct account number and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity issues. Step 2. Reset your password. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Update the app. Make sure that you are using the latest version of the Mullvad VPN app. Check for updates in your app store or on the Mullvad website and install any available updates. Step 4. Disable firewall or antivirus. Sometimes, firewalls or antivirus software can block VPN connections. Temporarily disable these security features to see if they are causing the login issue. Step 5. Contact support. If you still cannot log in, reach out to Mullvad's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details of the issue for quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login issues with Mullvad VPN. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.